You know, listen, I know that there are a lot of those certain Scrooge types who like to come out this time of year and grumble about all the early Christmas decorations, but you know what? I, for one, am not shouting bah humbug when they start to show up.
Me neither. It's a great way to begin kicking off the holiday season and allowing those warm, cheerful feelings to bloom. And there is a perfect opportunity coming up to kickstart that Christmas warmth. And here with all the fun details are Debbie Pecoraro. She's the president of the Women's Club of Milton, as well as Connie Heindel. She is a tour house homeowner. Thank you so much for joining us this afternoon. We're talking about the Milton home tour. So for those who are unaware, give us I guess a general overview of what it is.
Yes, the Holiday House Tour was on hiatus for a couple years due to COVID, but it's returned this year in full bloom at the Holly Fest, which is kind of a showcase for the Chamber of Commerce of Milton. We have 3 venues throughout the town with all kinds of arts and crafts. Santa Claus, of course, will be there. There's face painting for children. We have that tour, the Holly Fest starts at 9 a.m. and lasts till 3 p.m. Our Holiday House Tour, which is sponsored by the Women's Club of Milton, is from 2:30 to 6:30 the same day. And at that Holiday House Tour, we have 9 gorgeous homes, some of them very Victorian, in the town, and 3 public buildings open for inspection.
So let me ask you this. Why do you think people get so excited about Christmas decorations?
Well, everybody wants to see what everybody else has in their home. Let's face it, it's nice to peek in the windows, but you actually get to go in these houses all by yourself.
Ooh.
All right, well, Connie, what's it like to open your house to people to come in and see it?
Well, this being the first year, I'll be really trying to find out how it goes, but I'm excited because I love Christmas. My co-owner of our home, we love to decorate, and so we do have a lot of decorations.
Yeah.
And we're just anxious to share them with others.
Sure.
Wow. So tell us a little bit about the Women's Club of Milton.
Well, the Women's Club is a not-for-profit organization that's primarily dedicated to public service and fundraising. All the fundraising we do throughout the year goes back into the community. And this is one of our biggest fundraisers. We actually gave away 3 scholarships last year. We give a lot to the community food bank. We give to the schools. Our fundraiser is selling tickets for this quilt that one of our members made personally. She is a very gifted lady by the name of Dee Peters.
That's beautiful.
And it's called Ocean Breeze because of the colors in it, and it's perfect for the coastal areas. And we also are having a huge bake sale, and everyone knows the Women's Club has the best baked goods. So
the money raised is going towards scholarships.
Scholarships and other things we need in the community.
That's wonderful. All right, so give us the details again, when and where.
Okay, it's the second Saturday, so it's next Saturday, the 10th. And tickets are available in 3 locations in Milton, the Mercantile Salon Milton and Lavender Fields, as well as 1 location in Lewis Gifts. And you can call ahead for tickets. The tickets ahead of the date are only $25 a person. The date of the event, we'll be selling them at the Historical Society, and they'll be $30. If you want to reserve tickets ahead of time, you would call 302-329-9738. 38.
And this is, you were telling me this is actually the ticket.
Right.
And it's got a map inside of all the homes and the places that you mentioned. And you said each home has a story.
And each home has a story, and we have a lovely crew of docents at each home that will be helping, showcase each home.
So, Connie?
Yes.
Can you tell me a little bit about the story of your home?
I sure can. The home was built in 1993. Right now we have about 150 snowmen in the living room.
Oh, my wife will never leave. If we go there, she will never. I'm sorry, go ahead.
And about 50 Santas in the dining room. We have some items that are over 100 years old. Really? So it's a mixture of old and new. And it's just it makes you smile.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, and that's what it's all about. And
That's
for
what it's
those
all
who
about.
have maybe done this before, it's nice that there's, they get to see some new stuff, right?
Right.
That's right.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Yeah, we do try to vary the homes from time,
Yeah,
every year
sure.
or so. Get to
Yeah.
see
And
different
it's
places.
been a couple of years since you've been able to do this. Is your first time?
Yeah,
back?
this is my first time doing the Holiday House Tour as the president of the Women's Club.
Right.
But yeah, it's been going on for quite a few years before COVID.
Before
Yeah,
COVID, so
yeah.
time to get back.
All right. Debbie Pecoraro and Connie Heindel, thank you so much
Thanks
for
for
joining
having
us.
us.
And Merry
Welcome.
Christmas.
Merry
Thank you.
Christmas.